Today's question of the day is about rivet guns. A customer asked me what to do with all these springy rivet gun attachment things that come in the package. So if you buy a rivet gun from us, it is going to include one of these beehive springs, which you will probably want to throw in the trash. That was real product. I probably shouldn't have done that. And it will also include one of these easy quick change springs. So the customer had asked me basically how this works. So I want to show that to you. The first thing you're going to do with this is screw it on like a screw. It looks a little bit weird, but that's no problem.
Show me the profile of that.
Yeah, I'll show you the, oh yeah, I don't know where you're filming at.
Yeah. Ooh.
And then you're going to take your set, put it in the hole like normal, and we're going to take the spring here and we're going to pull it back and hook it around and then snap it into place. I used to like to say that that the beehive spring that I threw away was the one that's designed by the lawyers, and that this is the spring that you actually want to use. So typically we have a little sticker in that says use this one. This is our swivel mushroom set, and just because of the shape of it, the same type of spring I guess doesn't work super well. So this one is just going to go on, and when it's time to use this particular set, you'll just swap it out and screw it on. Mm-hmm. I think that thoroughly answers the question. Featured in this video that we didn't mention is a very special.
What is this thing? Is this a secret thing?
Sneak peek preview of our organizer system, which is something I've been working on for a while.
Wouldn't it be nice if something like that could be for sale on our stores someday? Wouldn't that be great?
That's a good point, Becky. We should put that together. I want to make sure the value's there, though, before we do. So we're working on this and other tools like this. So if you're interested in that product, like, comment, or subscribe. Or I don't know how YouTubers do things. If you're interested in that product, do let me know somehow, because I need motivation to get it done.
Singing Telegram, we accept those.
I do. And you can find all of our contact information and order lots of stuff at clevelandtool.com. Signing off. Thank you so much for watching. The rivet set, put it in there. Oh, man, I did it so wrong. Got to talking.